How are you all? Hope you all are well. Okay, my dear kids, last class we started on new lesson, interesting lesson, right? So many friends, they are going for a picnic to make Lord Ganj picnic, right? They are going there and they are seeing something, and when she is watching that, she has seen one bright thing and she is going behind that one. And what happening afterwards, they are losing the way, so they are searching some signboard. If we are seeing in signboard means we can reach, like that they are thinking, so they are searching the signboard. Still that only we learned. So next what we are going to learn, you see ma, page number 60. Up of it write today's date 18 to 2021 Guruvar. Write on the up of it. लिसन केयरफुली. लेकिन बीच जंगल में कौन सा साइन बोर्ड मिलता? इन द इनसाइड द in between the forest and all, who will keep the signboard and all, how we can get the signboard and all, right? थक कर हम सभी वहीं बैठ गए. We felt so tired and we sat there. 10-15 मिनट सुस्ताने के बाद हमने फिर से चलना शुरू किया. After slowing down for 10 to 15 minutes, we became so tired by searching the signboard and all. So after 15 minutes we slowing down. Sustane means slowing down. Sustane, slowing down by sitting for slowing down for 10 to 15 minutes. We started going. समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि कौन सा रास्ता ले. We couldn't get any idea that which way we can take. फिर मिट्टी में कुछ धुंधले निशान नज़र आए. Then after that what happened? They saw some foggy marks and all on the down on the mud. They saw some marks and all on the foggy, on the earth, on the land. They were walking. When they were walking, they have seen some marks on the down. हमने उसका पीछा करना शुरू किया. We started going behind that. सोचा जो भी हो कहीं तो पहुँचेंगे. Then we thought somewhat we will reach somewhere na, so we will go by following this mark. We will go somewhere, like that they are thinking and they are following that marks. थोड़ी दूर पर कुछ आधी अधूरी मूर्तियाँ नजर आई. After that they are seeing that they are seeing some idols on that. It is adi adhuri, it was not finished. That idols was murtiyam, statues, that is not finished, that they have seen there. चारों तरफ एकदम सन्नाटा था. For the four directions, everywhere it was absolutely silent. No any sound was there. It was very calm. एकदम सन्नाटा, absolutely silent. मूर्तियाँ, idols. Write the meanings on the up of it. Okay, my dear kids. Okay. हमने देखा कि पास ही एक पुरानी गंडहरनुमा इमारत है. गंडहरनुमा इमारत मीन्स ruined building. So हमने देखा कि पास ही एक पुरानी सी गंडहरनुमा इमारत है. Near to that they have seen that one ruined building. Ruined building means damaged building was there. ऐसा लग रहा था मानो सदियों से वहाँ कोई नहीं आया था. By seeing that we felt that for centuries no one came here. Centuries means 100 years. For 100 years no one came there. Like that we felt by seeing the condition of that building. हम दबे पाव अंदर चले गए. We ran and went inside. We ran and went inside. Then अंदर आकर देखा तो हमारी आंखें खुली की खुली रह गई. When we went inside, our eyes and all became, आंखें खुली की खुली रह गई means खुली की खुली, that is a phrase. Okay, so खुली की खुली. By seeing what and all is there inside, we felt so surprised. खुली की खुली means when we are seeing any surprise things means we will keep our eyes open, right? We won't close our eyes. So that like that something they have seen there. चारों तरफ गंधर्व व मूर्तियाँ थी और बीच में एक बड़े से कमरे पर थी वह पारदर्शी चीज़. What means चारों तरफ गंधर्व मूर्तियाँ थी. Everywhere it was ruined and also statue was there. It was so fully damaged and also so many statues were there, and in between that एक बड़े से कंफे pillar, on the pillar they have seen some पारदर्शी चीज means transparent thing they have seen on the pillar of that. By seeing that only they felt so excited. दरअसल सूरज की रोशनी में वह चमक रही थी, बिकॉज ऑफ द ब्राइटनेस ऑफ द सन that was shining like something. दरअसल एक्चुअली सूरज की रोशनी में वह चमक रही थी. It was shining because of the sun. हम सब उसे नज़दीक से देखने के लिए पास जाकर खड़े हुए हैं. We were so excited and we want to see it very closely. So what we have done, we went near to that. हम सब उसे नज़दीक से देखने के लिए पास जाकर खड़े हो गए. We went near to that and we stand there. हम सब उसे नज़दीक near. अचानक सब कुछ बड़ी तेज़ी से हिलने लगा. सडनली व्हाट हैपनिंग, एवरीथिंग इज शेकिंग. बड़ी तेज़ी से हिलने लगा. एवरीथिंग वॉज शेकिंग. कुछ पलों के लिए हम एकदम स्तब्ध हो गए. For some moments we stunned because when they went near to that, everywhere it became shaking. So we stunned because they felt so scared. Because if the building is shaking means how it will be? We will feel so fear, isn't it? We will feel so scared. So that students also, they also felt so scared. अगले ही पल सब फिर से वैसे ही शांति हो गए. At the next moment everything became so calm like before, isn't it? So for some time the building was shaking. Then after that it came on the same condition what was it. डर के मारे पसीने छूट रहे थे. बिकॉज ऑफ स्करिंग दे आर स्वेटिंग लाइक समथिंग. हिम्मत कर मैंने अपना कैमरा निकाला और सब जगहों की फ़ोटो खींची. बाई टेकिंग करेज, द गर्ल वॉज वेरी करेजियस. सो शी हैज़ टेकन द कैमरा एंड शी हैज़ टेकन ऑल द फोटोज़. मैंने देखा कि ज़मीन के एक कोने में थोड़ी सी दरार पड़ गई थी. देन व्हाट हैपन, मैंने देखा कि ज़मीन के एक कोने में थोड़ी सी दरार पड़ गई थी. दे हैव सीन दैट इन द कॉर्नर ऑफ दैट फ्लोर वन क्रैक वॉज देयर. एक तरफ लग रहा था कि वापस जाए और दूसरी तरफ बड़ी जिज्ञासा हो रही थी कि आगे क्या होगा. Once they were thinking that can we go back, but other way they are thinking that they are very curious to know what is there on the front. आगे क्या है, आगे क्या होगा, what is there inside. They feel so curious to know what is on inside. मेरा बड़ा मन कर रहा है जानने का कि आगे क्या है. मुदिता ने कहा. मुदिता told my mind is telling that my mind is very curious to know what is on inside. हाँ बात तो सही है, जब यहाँ तक आ गए हैं तो दौड़ा और सही, मैंने कहा. Then she told, that correct only. We came still here na, so it is not a problem to go inside and see what is there inside. आखिरकार हमने फैसला किया कि हम सिर्फ उस दरार को नज़दीक से देखकर वापस चले जाएं. They have seen that one crack is there on the corner of the building na, on the floor na. So they then decided, after all they decided that only we will go and see the crack what is there on the corner of the floor. हम उस दरार के पास पहुंच गए. We reached near to that crack. उस दरार में इतनी जगह थी कि हम उसके अंदर जा सकते थे. That crack was that much big that we can go inside. दरार में बनी सीढ़ियों से हम नीचे उतर गए. There on steps were there. There more steps were there. Through that steps they went inside. हम उसके अंदर जा सकते थे. दरार में बनी सीढ़ियों से हम नीचे उतर गए. We went inside that by going by their steps they went inside. अंदर एकदम खूब अंधेरा था. It was foggy, darkness was there inside. दरार से आती उस हल्की रोशनी में हमें एक शीशा नजर आया. In that light, one small light was seen. Through that they have seen on glass. They have seen on glass there. काफ़ी धूल चढ़ी थी उस पर. So much dusty was it. वरुणा ने तेजी से निशा के हाथ से रुमाल खींचा. Varuna has taken the rumal of Nisha from her hand. रुमाल kerchief. और उस शीशे को साफ कर दिया. By using that kerchief, she has wiped that glass. हिलाने पर शीशे को ऐसा कोण बना जिससे चारों ओर रोशनी हो गई. When they were rubbing, it became a triangle. It became like a triangle, and because of that glass, everywhere light came. Everywhere they got light. वरुणा ने मुस्कुराकर कहा, मैंने एक किताब में पढ़ा था कि पुराने ज़माने में कैसे कैसे रोशनी की जाती थी. I have read in one book that how and all the old people and all they are getting light and all. How I have learned that one. लेकिन हम उसकी बात सुन ही नहीं रहे थे. But what happened? What she is telling, no one was hearing. हमारा ध्यान तो था पीछे रखी पुरानी मूर्तियाँ और जवाहिरातों पर. What they were their thinking was so many पुरानी मूर्तियाँ, so many old statues and also jewels were there. That only they were looking. They were not looking what the Varuna was telling. Varuna was telling that I have read in one book that how the old people and they are getting light and all, but they were not hearing and they were looking at the old statues and also the jewels. जवाहरातों. हमारी तो आंखें खुली रह गई. मैंने तुरंत अपने कैमरा से फ़ोटो खींची. By seeing everything we felt so excited and I have taken photo using my camera. फिर मुदिदा बोली, चलो जल्दी, शाम होने से पहले वापस चलें और सबको बताएं. Come fast, before evening we have to reach there and we have to go and tell to everyone. Like that everyone told. लेकिन हम वापस कैसे जाएंगे? हमें रास्ता तो याद ही नहीं है. But how we will go? We don't know the way at all, Nisha told. पहले बाहर चलकर तो देखो, वरुणा ने हाथ आगे बढ़ाते हुए कहा. First we will go outside and see. Like that Varuna is telling. खंडहर के बाहर आते ही हम उसी रास्ते पर वापस चल पड़े. खंडहर के that ruined building, they by coming from there, they are which way they came, that way they returned. तभी निशा को कुछ आवाज़ें सुनाई दी. That time they heard Nisha heard some voices and all. अरे यह आवाज़ तो नदी की है. This voice is from non river only. चलो वहाँ कोई ना कोई तो हमें रास्ता बता ही देगा. निशा ने चहकते हुए, come let's go. There somebody will be there to tell us the way. Like that Nisha is telling and going. हम सब उस आवाज़ के पीछे चल पड़े. Where the voice is hearing, there we went. नदी तक पहुंचकर हमने वहाँ के स्थानीय लोगों से रास्ता पूछ लिया. While reaching there, we asked the way from the local peoples and all were standing there. We asked the way from them. 15 मिनट में हम वापस अपने बस के पास पहुंच गए. Within 15 minutes, we reached the bus where our bus was standing. वहाँ मैडम ने को हमारी सारी कहानी बताई. We told all the stories to our teacher. मैडम ने पहले तो हमें समझाया कि हम यूँ नहीं जाना चाहिए था. Then first she told that you should not go like this. Should say to us only go. Why you went alone like that? She told. Then after that, पुलिस को खबर दे दी. She has given the news to police. She called the police. मेरी खींची हुई तस्वीरों से उन्हें वापस खंडहर तक जाने में बहुत सहायता मिली. What photos and all I have taken using that, they reached that ruined building. They help, because of that photos, it helped them a lot. देखते ही देखते वहाँ कई समाचार चैनल वाले इकट्ठा हो गए. Slowly, so many news channel people and all they came there. हमें बहुत शाबाशी भी दी गई. They greeted us very thing. They greeted also. बाद में पता चला कि यह खजाना सदियों पुराना है. This treasury was after that they know that this treasury was very old and जिसकी खोज काफ़ी समय से हो रही थी. This they were searching this from for more years and they are searching this one. अगले दिन हम वापस हॉस्टल आ गए. Next day we reached the hostel. यह रोमांचक यात्रा हमें कभी नहीं भूलेगी. हमें कभी नहीं भूलेगी. We never forget this exciting journey. रोमांचक यात्रा exciting journey. We will not forget this exciting journey any time. Like that. So what and all they seen there like that we learned, right? It's a little interesting, right? How we were expecting what is going to happen like that and all we expect and we have seen. So from this one more moral is there. We should not go without the permission of elders to anywhere. Isn't it? We should not go anywhere without our elders' permission. Okay, my dear kids. Read the lesson. Read it carefully. While ma'am is reading, you should also follow with me. Then you can read. Okay, my dear kids, that's all for today. धन्यवाद मेरे प्यारे बच्चों.